Otse Nango Kennel Club Sunday, April 20th. This was our morning detective search. We had this exterior area here, pink dots going all the way to the end of the building. Orange cones were our start line. The boundary out here came all the way out to the building right here and extended all the way out, all across this wall, all the way down past the third ladder where the flags are, and then we had a boundary here. We had two hides out here in this location. The first hide was tucked right underneath this edge of the ladder. This odor was tracking all the way around. We had the wind blowing towards me, 15 to 20 mile an hour winds that were fluctuating a little bit, and this odor was wrapping around. Dogs were coming in, coming back around, and then able to work this. They worked the wall really nicely. The dog started to go all the way down here and then started to pick up odor on the wall. The second hide here was located right there. Really nice sourcing. Dogs were working it all back and forth, tracking underneath. The rest of this space was blank. Search area continued, demarcated by our yellow flags. We had a dog bowl and 3 dog toys out as distractors. Search area came up to the end of this small shed area, and there was a hide tucked in underneath these 2 bricks. This odor was swirling around in here. Dogs were coming in and working either before or after sourcing that hide. Coming out again, covering all the front of the barn, including this area here to the end. We had a ground hide that was right here. This odor was presenting towards the start line and also starting to swirl underneath the bench and actually coming into these first 2 stalls. Dogs showed some nice interest here on either side, but were able to dismiss it. We had a hide here inside the edge of this pool bar. Dogs were working this odor all in here very nicely. Some dogs caught it on the ladder. Some dogs caught it on this whole hose reel. We also had a leash here as a distractor. And then there were 2 mirrored hides in here towards the end of our search area. In the horse barn, that was our boundary. We had a hide on this roller and a mirrored hide on this roller. This odor from the 2 roller hides was being pushed to the back of the barn. A lot of dogs caught the odor coming even past the boundary markers. Handlers that let the dogs go back and allow the dogs to work the wall were able to source these hides. Some handlers sort of dismissed the opposite side after finding one of them. We had a really, really nice group of dogs today for this morning Easter search. We had 9 exhibitors. We had 2 qualifiers. The total square footage of our search area was 2,340 square feet. There were 7 hides total, and they had 8 minutes to search. Great job, everyone.